This Colorado spruce has Rhizophora needlecast. It's a fungus disease that affects the needles. It infects the needles during warm, wet weather, and it affects the older needles, and the new growth continues growing out past that point. And so a lot of times you'll see just the old needles dying and the tree continuing to put on new growth. If the next season that the needles are growing doesn't have the proper weather conditions for the fungus, then the tree kind of outgrows the disease. But if the tree has several years of bad conditions, like in this case, the tree gets to the point where there's only a few green needles at the end of the branches, and basically the tree isn't going to make it because it has been infected for so long that it just can't make it. This disease has some possibility of being treated with chemical controls. You'll have to check on the labels for the treatment. It's not a very common thing, and so it's not very commonly listed on labels. This disease does affect other spruces besides Colorado spruce. Norway spruce tends to be more resistant. It does infect pines and Douglas fir as well. For the homeowner, it's basically that the needles are turning purple. It's the older needles first, and then you need to get an arborist to come out and see if you can treat your tree to protect it. And this is Jeff with the Green Review. Thanks for watching.